We're just about ready to get started with our first presentation, and this is all about electrification meets automation. And these are actually two separate areas that, thanks to digitalization, grow together to form one strong tool for more efficient production. That means on the one side, less energy use, and on the other side, faster processes. Let's talk about it a bit more in detail and welcome our experts. Here are Helmut Ketterer and Edwin Schizar. Welcome.
Thanks, Chris. And welcome, Edwin, my automation engineer.
Hi, Helmut, my electrician.
Welcome. Today we show you how you can benefit from a certified energy management system. So first, let's listen to our customer.
Hello? Yeah, Wolfgang Müller speaking. We have a problem. Yeah, we had an auditor in our production. He found out that last year our energy consumption was way too high. He said this was due to our old gift packaging machine. In addition to that, the machine failed quite often, so we would urgently need a new machine. Please find a solution. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, and talk to you soon.
Well, this customer is in a real tough spot, isn't he? And so are we. So, I mean, do you experience time pressure in your work? I think you are, right? So we have to update this machine in so few days before Mother's Day. The functionality of the machine is clear, it's defined. The physical layout, it's given. But Edwin, I think we can do something about the control cabinet, right?
So many of you may think now this is now the opportunity to grasp it, because we may now introduce some new innovations. What about more efficient drives, for example? Or since we also heard that energy management is a topic, what about software tools to help to look for example, energy waste?
Exactly, and there's one more thing. The customer was mentioning that the machine was failing quite frequently. So a common cause for that are issues with the power quality. We for sure should monitor power quality as well with the updated machine. On the other side, since the energetic footprint of the machine will be much lower, we have to reduce the fusing as well.
Now, everybody will ask, that sounds all great. However, do we really need now a completely new switching cabinet, control cabinet? Because that sounds difficult. Or maybe there are other alternatives.
Well, a prototype always is the basis of our work. But these days, we do that virtually. That means we are building a digital twin. So in the end, all we need for that, we have in our system. We have all the nice 3D data from Siemens, for example, so we can not only draw single line diagrams, as we are always used to do. No, we are building a virtual twin and doing the complete application in 3D, testing, simulating, everything before we have to buy the real physical components and get the final machine ready to run. So, after I've done that, I let out the bill of material, and you, Edwin, could do something with that, right?
Since this bill of material is exactly that list which I need, because I can find there those new components, hardware and software, which I have to consider in my new automation program. And while you are redesigning the cabinet, I'm just reconfiguring the automation.
Yes, as an electrical engineer, I know that electrification is the basis of any automation. So that means we're using standard components, communication is ensured, data gets exchanged automatically.
So data exchange gives us great opportunities. Just have a look at TIA portal of Siemens, the totally integrated automation portal. Since there, we can, well, obtain perfect interplay of both worlds, electrification and automation components, just, for example, because of the communication.
Absolutely. But the TIA portal is known, of course, in the automation world. But can I configure already all electrical components there as well?
Definitely. That all starts with a common communication network. With TIA portal, we can easily set up such a network, assign, for example, all IP addresses automatically. Later, we can set up a common visualization, SCADA system, again for both electrical and automation components.
Wow, that's big benefit. But isn't that too complicated for me as an electrical engineer?
Not any longer. In the past, you might have needed more tools to configure and run different products. But however, now it has all become obsolete thanks to TIA Portal. One tool for everything.
Yeah, hello, this is Wolfgang Müller again. I forgot to mention that the new machine must be integrated in our energy management system. We need full energy transparency. Yeah, please consider that the new machine can't be more expensive. Yeah, thanks. Bye.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is real life. While we are redesigning the cabinet, new requirements are coming up for our customer, which we have to consider in our planning phase. I, as an automation guy, am really happy that my electrician colleague has already selected the right components from the Siemens portfolio. For example, Simatic, TIA Portal, Centron, Synamics, or Sirius. Since, thanks to digitalization, all these products can not only do their job, but they will provide all energy data for me. We heard it, energy consumption is a big topic. So I, as an automation guy, I'm really happy that I don't have to care about the energy data. They're all handled automatically by TIA Portal Energy Suite, for example. And in case, let's say, higher level energy management tools are in use, no problem of that. Again, thanks to digitalization, we can exchange the complete engineering very easily. And if our customer needs to add some new meters next year, in 2 years' time, some new energy meters, no problem. That all can be done without adjusting your cabinet design.
You saw it in our real-life example. The customer was coming really late in the process, giving us even a change order, which makes it more complicated. But with the tools of digitalization, we were able to achieve the job. So now after updating the machine, I give out a new bill of material. It's the final one.
And I'm going to place this final bill of material in the Siemens mall to get all products, hardware, software, as well as electrical and automation products right in time, because we want to give this machine, hand it over to our customer to start production and to stop wrapping the gifts. Don't forget it. Mother's Day is ahead of us. We need the presents there, which are more important than those for Christmas.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, what you saw is a perfect interplay of electrification, automation, and digitalization. So that resulted in real great benefits of a safe, fast, very reliable process. We could achieve really in a short time an update of this machine. So I think our customers should be happy.
Yeah, hello, this is again Wolfgang Müller. Yeah, so I would like to thank you. The new machine is running very well. The energy consumption is much lower and we had no more failures. And thanks to the energy transparency, our employees were able to optimize the production process even further. So thanks again for realizing this so quickly and on a short notice. Bye-bye.
So, what did we do today? We managed to redesign, reconfigure a complete machine under time pressure, under time constraints. We also managed to implement the newest requirements on energy management at the same time. The operators of our customer are now able to run the machine right in time to produce the gifts, to wrap them, and get the necessary information to run the machine even more efficiently. That all was possible because we could integrate all three core topics, digitalization, automation, and electrification, by means of TIA Portal in one environment.
Yes, and it goes even further than that. So what we showed you here on stage, you actually can see 126 meters from right here, over there on the Siemens stand, we have built this machine. So you can experience and see everything what you actually need in your applications on that Siemens stand. And even more advanced, we have integrated also here on the Siemens stand all this energy data already in MindSphere, our open IoT ecosystem. So we would like to invite you, please join us, and we show you how you can benefit in your applications. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.